Hi, my name is Natasha Hyotis, the Senior Product Developer for Fresh at US Foods. I'd like to discuss American Humane Certification for turkey. US Foods and our vendors use this certification to verify claims for our exclusive brand products that fall into our Serve Good product lineup. The American Humane Certified Program for Turkey provides verification for the care and handling of turkeys through rigorous, third-party, independent audits. The welfare standards are science and evidence-based. The program provides ongoing support to farmers that encourages continuous improvement in all aspects of turkey care and welfare. When you see the American Humane Certified certification seal on a turkey product offered by US Foods, you can feel confident that the farmer has solid animal health, nutrition, and welfare procedures. The farmer has solid husbandry and transportation procedures. The farmer has a zero-tolerance policy regarding willful acts and abuse towards animals. The farmer agrees to third-party, independent audits regularly to maintain their welfare certification. You can find more information about American Humane on their website.